Okay, so for a long time, I've been trying to figure out a way where you could fly the drones, like, you know, 4 people together and tell them apart. So, like, you know, when you're line of sight flying, you can tell which drone is which so that you're, you know, controlling the right drone when they're getting close together. So, I think I finally done it. And this is what I did, is I took some little LEDs. I don't know if you can see them very well in the package, but they came in various different colors, and here's the little LED part there. And I soldered them onto the power ports here on the back so that when you plug the battery in, then you will light up the deal. So then I took them on the inside of the cover, and you can see this is one of the little cowl covers, and I drilled some little holes that you can see here, and then I wrapped the wires kind of around in there and taped them into this little hood region after I poked them out through the top here. And so this is so cool. Wait till you see this. I'm gonna plug this in, and what? That doesn't show up so great on the video here, I can tell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it on my workbench, and then I'm gonna go turn the lights off. Okay, and we'll snap this light off because this is my deal. And yeah, kid, it's pretty bright, huh? And it's obviously green from where I'm standing. Like, there's no doubt about it. And so as you're flying around, you'll be able to see the color, and I'll get you some of that video in a second. Okay, so here we go on our test here. Can you see it? That is so sweet. Yeah, kid.